grade. Today we're on lesson number 5, beginning with exercise 2 on page 56. At the top of page 56, please put your first and last name, the class number, and today's date, September 16th, on the lines provided. Today we're going to be identifying subjects and predicates again, and we'll be noticing that some of the words printed on our page are not sentences because they are missing either the simple subject or the simple predicate. So together in class, we're going to identify the subject and the predicate inside of the sentence. If it's missing something, I want to put on the blank what's missing. Is the subject missing or is the predicate missing? If it's a complete sentence, then that's what I'll put on the blank. I can put SENT or the word sentence on the blank. Example, honeybees, digger wasps, and red ants. Honeybees, digger wasps, and red ants. Those are all subjects. What's missing? P, predicate. P stands for these groups of words don't have a predicate. That means it's a fragment. Live together in colonies. I identify live as being the predicate. So what's missing? Subject. I put S on the line because S is the subject that's missing. Did you know that a colony may contain thousands of insects? That contains a subject, you. It contains a verb, did, know. On the line, I put sentence. Number 3, one queen. It's missing the predicate. I put a P on the blank for number 3. Number 4, produce all eggs. It's missing a subject. I put S on the line. Number 4 is a fragment. I put S, it's missing a subject. A special room or cell for the queen. This is a fragment. These are subjects. I put P on the blank for number 5 because it's missing a predicate. Bees, wasps, ants undergo a complete metamorphosis. On the sentence or on the line for number 6, I place sentence. Number 7, stages. The 4 stages of these insects. This is a subject. It's missing a predicate. Number 7 is a fragment. On the line, I put P because it's missing the predicate. Egg, larva, pupa, adult. These are all simple subjects. It's missing a predicate. This is a fragment. On the line, I put P. It's missing a predicate. The female workers. Once again, simple subject. It's missing a predicate. This is a fragment. I put P on the line. Number 10, workers have many jobs. Workers have many jobs. On blank number 10, I put sentence. This contains a simple subject and a predicate. It's a sentence. 11, collect food and take care of the nest, the queen, and her offspring. These are predicates, compound predicates. It's missing a subject. 11 is a fragment. On the blank, I put S because it's missing the subject. Number 12, some workers protect the nest from the enemies. Workers, simple subject, protect, simple predicate. This is a sentence. On line 12, I put sentence. It contains the parts needed. 13, search for food to bring back to the colony. This is a simple predicate. It's missing the subject. On the line, I put S. It's missing a subject. Number 13 is a fragment. 14. Insects' various ways of communication. Ways is the simple subject. It's missing a predicate. 14 is a fragment. On the blank, I put P because it's missing a predicate. On the lines where you've written sentences, it contains both a simple subject and a predicate. My takeaway for today is if a sentence contains a simple subject and a simple predicate, I call it a sentence. If it's missing a simple subject or the simple predicate, it's called a fragment. Before we go back to page 55, put a big old X through these lines on the bottom of the page. You will not be using that. Put an X through those lines. Now, back to page number 55. In review, at the top of the page, a sentence must have a subject and a predicate to express a complete thought. If it does not, we call it a fragment. On the top of the page are 3 additional examples that you can read for yourselves. Your assignment on page 55. Let's follow the directions that are printed on this page. If it's a sentence, write sentence on the blank. If it's a fragment, put fragment on the blank. You can use these abbreviations if you like to complete the 16 sentences that are found on page number 55. Your assignment, please complete page number 55 by putting sentence or fragment on the blank describing the words in that particular line. Tomorrow, Thursday, we will continue our study by reviewing sentences, simple subjects, simple predicates, and how we can have them combined to form compound sentences. Have a great Wednesday.